I'm Anna from Remodel Republic, and I'm here to show you how we transform this main floor into a modern living space for the whole family to enjoy. First, we removed a structural wall between the kitchen and living room by adding several beams across the ceiling. We also built out this living room wall and added niches for the fireplace, TV, and some storage. Then we moved the kitchen sink and appliances to a more functional layout with plenty of space for entertaining. We also enlarged the window over the sink and framed it with a full-height quartz backsplash. The European-style cabinets are a perfect accent to achieve this contemporary aesthetic.